Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to cook Italian spaghetti. To begin, select a large pot, at least 8 quarts, ensuring ample space for your pasta to move freely. Fill this pot about 3/4 full with cold water. This helps the spaghetti cook uniformly. Finally, add a generous amount of salt to the water, seasoning your pasta right from the start for exceptional flavor. Once your water reaches a vigorous, rolling boil, it is time for the spaghetti. Carefully add about 16 ounces of pasta into the pot, letting the strands gradually soften and slide beneath the water's surface. Stir the spaghetti immediately and continue stirring for the first minute or two. This crucial step prevents the pasta from sticking together, guaranteeing perfectly separated strands. Cooking spaghetti to a perfect al dente is key. Follow the package instructions, usually around 8 to 12 minutes, but start testing early. About 1 minute before the suggested cook time, taste a single strand of pasta. It should offer a pleasant, firm resistance when bitten, not mushy, but tender through to its core. This slight chewiness is the hallmark of perfectly cooked spaghetti. Before draining, remember to reserve about 1 cup of that flavorful, starchy pasta water. It is a secret ingredient for luscious sauces. Now, carefully drain the spaghetti through a colander, but resist the urge to rinse it. Rinsing washes away the starch that helps your sauce adhere beautifully. Immediately add the hot, drained pasta to your waiting warm sauce for optimal flavor absorption.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.